Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Sections from 83 IPC. 83 IPC. Nothing is an offense done by a child between 7 to 12 years if the child does not attain sufficient maturity to understand the nature and consequences of the act. That means between 7 to 12 years of the child, if the child does not know what happens after doing the act, then this is not an offense. 84 IPC. 84 IPC deals with McNaughton's rule. In 84 IPC, nothing is an offense done by a person who, at the time of doing the act, by the reason of unsoundness of mind, cannot understand what he is doing is either wrong or contrary to law or held responsible. If the person has unsound mind, then he is not responsible for the offense. If the person has a mental illness and he is not aware of what he was doing and he is not aware that what he was doing is wrong, in such case it is not an offense. A person of unsound mind cannot be punished or held responsible for his actions.
thank you and thank you for watching.